Welcome back to our spot welder video series. Today we're going to show you how to change your tip holders from straight up and down 90 to an angled position. First thing you want to do after you turn off your machine is disconnect these coolant lines. That'll make it easier, a little bit easier to move around. You've got two Allen keys that you'll need. You'll need a 10 mil for the loosening your arm, and you'll need a 6 mil for loosening the tip holder itself. So first thing I'm going to do, loosen this one. And we're going to slide the tip holder right out. There's also a locking bolt. This is a spacer. Once we rotate this arm, you'll see that there's another component here that we can slide the tip holder back into. I'm just going to tighten this up like this just to hold it for now. We'll get the position set in a second here with the arm itself. The arm can now move in because we loosened the 10 mil bolt at that end. The other thing you'll need to do is change out your straight tip. So we're going to take the straight tip out and we're going to put in a 22.5 degree. This tip's going to go in the tip holder, and now you'll see it's pointing straight up and down. We can get this, start to get this lined up here. We want those arms to come down fairly parallel. Tips line up. We'll snug up the tip holder first so it stays in place, and then we'll tighten up the arm at this end. And the last thing you want to do is connect your coolant lines, and then you should be good to go. That's set up for configuration number 2. We sell our spot welders in these different configurations already. It's just a way we set it up for you before you get it to your place, and we include then the angled tip. But if you already have a 90 degree or you have this set up, you just need to take that one tip and swap it over, and you can change from this angled position to straight up and down position.